PG Perma Glass Waterless Wash and Shine kit set comes with PG Wonder Clay. Step 1. PG Perma Glass Waterless Wash and Shine application. Spray and saturate the car panel and allow the liquid to soak into the grime. Use the provided microfiber cloth. Fold the microfiber cloth into quarter and wipe the soaked surface in one direction. It cleans dirt and grime easily. Use the second provided microfiber cloth to wipe off any leftover residue. Step 2. PG Perma Glass Wonder Clay application. Spray water onto the cleaned car panel. Knead and flatten the PG Wonder Clay. Glide the PG Wonder Clay with left-right or up-down direction. Run your fingertips to feel the bumps and roughness disappear. Fold and knead the PG Wonder Clay to a new surface when used side is dirty. Use the second provided microfiber cloth and buff to a glass smooth surface and shine.